What's up, folks? Honey's morning update, October 19th. So over under today is 737.60. Both your open and close there. 30.77 is your high. We didn't bust through that 38.20 double top up here. We've kind of come up shy. So we need above 77 to get into that range or to try to attempt to get that. But 74 is your overnight high, short of that, and now we're dumping on 10-year being at 4.1%, and euros going back down and dollars going back up. So I don't know if this will continue down or if we're just going to consolidate here. That 33, 35 level, that's kind of your midpoint. So that's a decent level. But again, you're over under 70, 60. And then this 97 to 05 level needs to hold. And if that doesn't, then we'll head back down. Below that, 80 is your next level. And then you get into the 83, 63 is your that zone. And if we break the 63 level, then we head back down. This 90, 95 level needs to hold. You have a lot of traffic here. So I don't think we'll get down there today. But if we do, that would be where I would expect a stop or stopping short of that. I could see something, prior to that, 3600, 3606, something like that. Kind of a front run option where they know that level is going to hold, so they'll start to buy before it. But so we'll see. Again, today, if we open up below that 97, then I think that it's going to be a sad day. And then your next level is 80, that 83, 80. And then if we break that, so we'll see. Interesting, transition today or on the overnight because it was higher. And then I think Europe came out with sad news. Everything's a mess over there. So please watch the euro and everything else because that's really affecting our markets. So 7.13 now. Your pivot's at 44. I like that. 37.91, 37.11. We've gone through S1 already. We're flirting with it now. 36.64 is your S2. Here's your daily still in that channel coming down. Again, we needed above that 38.20 to get into that, at least that 50 and 100-day moving average that is cross bearish now, into that volume node in the 3900 area. But, it didn't materialize, so I would assume that we're heading back down. I don't know. It's interesting because everybody was bullish yesterday. So we'll see. And then again, that 200 weekly, the 200-day on the weekly is 35.95, and they've really defended that level. So the danger is if we lose that, but I would expect them to try to continue to defend that. Again, we're 100 points from that, or 110 points from that level right now. But again, anything's possible, and we're starting to head back down now as I speak. Housing's out in 2 minutes, so I'll probably be here for that. Here's your SPX. We had a small cash gap, 86 to 78. And then we have that monster one, 36.38 to 35.83. Those two are definitely in play. And then we have the bottom two here from 2 years ago. So we'll see. This candle is amazing. Euro just kind of stepping down. It pops, it gets crushed. It pops, it gets crushed, and that's kind of what we're looking at. Really no follow through on the pop up. Again, as I said, I wanted to see it, a 998, at least a test of the channel, but it just can't get there. So every rally has been very short lived. British pound's on its way down again, but nothing crazy. Again, with the whole trust thing and everything else, there's so much drama happening in there. I don't even know what's happening in Great Britain right now. It's too much to even keep track of. But definitely keep these two on your radar because they are affecting, this. You've got with the euro down, almost 900 ticks. These currency moves are crazy. This is not normal. So anyway, stay safe. Again, watch that 97, 3,797. If that breaks, then we're going to start to see some downside levels get hit. Anyway, stay safe. I'll be in the room for a little bit and then out.